So this is cod and a sauce.
There you go. You ride to 9:30 and he leaves when he sells out. Wow, wow, wow. This looks beautiful.
Really, really, really incredible.
What is up, guys? My name is Carson. My beautiful wife, her name is Sammy, and we are the complete couple. And today we are in Alesund, Norway. Sammy's correcting me. Today we are in Alesund, Norway, and we're going to be doing a food tour today, one of our favorites. So stick around. Remember, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We have been bringing you some fantastic content and a ton more to come. We will see you guys down in Norway.
All right, here is the old one. So Geiranger 1, followed by Bruges, and then Amsterdam. So we're going to do the new one. Here's the new one. How many times have you cruised on Norwegian Cruise Line? We are the 9 or more category. So we'll see what it is on the boat.
Here we go. Alesund. Cold today. So this is the Alesund sightseeing tour. Takes this like little train.
That is so cute.
Take the sightseeing train guided tour through town and the top of the mountain for a panoramic view of Alesund.
We might be able to do it.
Makes 23 stops. There is Wi-Fi.
23, that's a lot of stops.
It doesn't say the price though.
Adults are 200.
Oh, 20 bucks.
That's nothing.
That's not bad.
The other hop on, hop off is like 50 a
50.
person. That looks so fun.
All right, cool. Well, we'll see where we go. And here's your local Alesund 7-Eleven. Sam's getting a water bottle. Oh, it's kind of a nice 7-Eleven. Wow, there's been a lot of people from Florida here already. Because they have a map here. You can put a pin where you're from. So real quick, how much was this?
So this is on TripAdvisor.
All right, it's TripAdvisor.
So 3-hour guided food walk tour, $230. Pretty pricey.
Wow, it's pretty pricey, dude. $115 each. So we'll see what we get out of it.
It says food and alcohol tour, so we'll also see if you actually get alcohol.
There you go.
From what we've heard, Norway is very strict on it.
Yes.
So we haven't really figured that out all that much. I don't know what that means, we'll find out. Let's go.
All right, so we are starting here at the Fish Torget restaurant. This is where we met at, so this is our first stop. There's a second floor in here, I didn't even realize it. It's really nice up here. Kind of ale.
It's part of bacalao. You can see that, of course not the one we are eating, hanging in the window downstairs when we leave. Clipfish is, or bacalao, that's the Spanish name for codfish. Also,
Try that.
so, but in Norway it means a dish. You see bacalao that it has clipped.
So this is cod and a sauce.
The fish has been
Dried cod.
again.
See, this is a very famous dish here. It's bacalao.
48, sorry.
Bacalao.
And yeah, but you can still feel it salty.
Yeah,
It's a bit
kind of
salty.
like a tomato sauce.
So
Tastes like a tomato.
Then they split
Yeah,
it.
they used to lay them out on here, and
Conditions
they would dry them. That was salted and dried codfish. They used to dry it outside.
That's crazy.
That was 1867 in Alesund. All right, so what was that one? What'd you think?
It was actually pretty good. It was their famous dish that is all throughout Norway, so learned about it. And it was actually a lot better than I thought. I'm not a fish person. It was actually pretty good. Very tomatoey, potatoes, a little chewy, but I would say 7.5 out of 10.
So far, I'm liking our guide too. She's
The
pretty
guy's
with it.
very nice, and she knows a lot of information, which is refreshing.
She said she was basically here her whole life.
Yep, she went to like Germany for a little bit and somewhere in Spain for a few years. But it was very nice. It was very classy.
Very.
You sit down, it's warm, you get a drink. I thought it was great.
All right, on to our next one. So we're walking through a tunnel. It's actually an old bomb shelter.
Yeah, they never had to use it.
They constructed it after, I think she said, World War II.
They said the Nazis were here for a few years.
For 5 years, and
Yep.
they constructed it. They've never had to use it.
Nope, but they have it now, and now it's just a shortcut to the city.
Old bomb shelter, though. Really crazy.
It's really great.
I've actually never been inside of a bomb shelter.
I can say you have.
Wow. Alesund is pretty.
Very pretty. Look at these buildings. They're like little castles everywhere.
Kind of reminds me of Disney World. I'm guessing we're going here. It's a little American diner.
It's so cute. Alright, so we got sausage and mash. I'll see what she says about it.
This is svinemøl. It's a sausage made of minced pork and seasoned with allspice. It's a typical Norwegian sausage.
Good. Norwegian
It's a
sausage.
must-have for Christmas.
Norwegian sausage must have for Christmas.
As you can tell, we liked it.
Potatoes were fantastic.
Everybody loved it.
Really good, man.
Might be some of the best mashed potatoes I've ever had in my life.
That's the menu. What we had was under Pulsar. It's this Fluinamar. It's right there. Basically like $5. $5 for a sausage. Such a cool place.
Dune is a must try. That was fantastic. Everyone ate all of it. Amazing mashed potatoes. They won't give out the family recipe. And the sausage was fantastic.
#1 selling ice cream spot
In all of Norway.
in all of Norway.
Really cute. definitely come here.
She said they sell more ice cream here than all of Norway.
All of Norway.
She said it's the same ice cream, but this place is just
does it, you know?
just does it. You just buy your seafood right there. He's only got one basket today. They look like stone crab claws.
So you can actually kind of buy these? Yeah.
Just buy them. There you go. He arrived at 9:30 and he leaves when he sells out. I don't know if you get to see it, but there's a lighthouse out there. It used to be a lighthouse, but now it's a honeymoon suite. So you stay there, get there. Now you stay there and they bring you breakfast in the morning. You get to enjoy it. So supposedly that's a hotel. Those are apartment buildings now. This used to be a big fishing area. So up top there, at the very top, was a pulley system. They would pull their catch up and bring it inside those windows. But now it's just like a beautiful little area. That's a heated bench here in Norway.
That feels good.
That whole thing's heated.
Wow, I want to stay here.
It's literally, it's hot like a heated car seat or
That
handlebar.
right there is some well-spent tax dollars.
That is well spent tax dollars. That's nice. Heated seats. The hotel something.
Yeah, this is a 5-star hotel, the best in Alesund.
Wow.
So here we will have fish soup.
5-star hotel, best in
We just
The
Alesund.
stayed.
fireplace.
Oh my goodness. This is
We're going to
stunning.
have a concert here, I guess.
This place is beautiful. She just said these beams are all original. This place is fancy.
So pretty. So cute. So far, 10 out of 10 on the tour. Tour guide's great. Food is great. Also, what would you rate the sausage and mash?
A 10.
Me too. 10 out of 10 on the last place.
9.5.
I don't know. It's a 10. This is the fish soup. The butter is melted. There's a lot going on in this soup.
right there.
There's shrimp, fish, mussels, and root vegetables. And the broth is cooked in haddock bones. I'm not making it up. I don't think she wanted me to remind.
Honestly, it tastes really good. Really
How to what?
fresh. Let me get a piece of cod. For me, it's amazing. Thon Hotel Alesund. That's the honeymoon spot. That's the honeymoon spot right there. Wow, wow, wow. This looks beautiful.
It's so delicate.
This looks like a 5-star restaurant dish right here, dude.
It's stunning.
That was a good bite, baby.
Dude, the salmon is so
Not
good.
fishy. Pretty good. A lot of bread. A little too much bread.
like sushi.
Good. I'd give that like an 8.7 out of 10.
Wow.
Very good. You'll really like that.
God, I'm gonna eat up.
Literally so good. Raving reviews all around. Everyone ate it. Not even all the bread, just eat the salmon.
The Thon Hotel, but that's where we went. It was pretty good. It's actually really good. It's fresh, incredible. It's very, very beautiful inside. So we walked down. This is a antique shop. So this is an antique shop. This tour has been nothing but just spectacular. So I fully recommend it. Oh, this is actually where we're eating. So we're having our thing at the antique shop. It's incredible. Oh my gosh, I gotta be careful with my backpack here. This is scary. So we're having our last meal here in an antique shop. This is beautiful. Absolutely the best tour
I think we've done so far.
we've done so far, I think.
Here it is. In case you're wondering, Food Walk Alesund through TripAdvisor. So, really, really, really incredible,
She's
honestly.
fantastic. Desserts
Look at this place. I mean, how cute. Look, you're right on the water. Right on the water. So cool. All right, we'll try the macaroon. All right, so this is very traditional. It is a sponge cake with vanilla and rum.
Like to
My
share,
goodness.
but appreciate it. We will start the
incredible.
last on.
It looks really good.
So
All right,
everything
we're gonna
you
try
have.
this. Look how cute this little china
It's been
is.
fantastic.
Oh, it's so cute.
Definitely.
Alrighty, so we just finished in this beautiful antique shop.
So cute.
What was your things? What's your thoughts?
I think the best tour we've done yet. Tour guide was fantastic. The food was fantastic. The sightseeing was good. Ton of knowledge without it being too boring. The places were all completely different and unique. The food was all unique. It was like really tasting your way through Norway. Really cool. I would recommend it any day of the week. Absolutely fantastic. 10 out of 10. Don't have one complaint.
Now listen, when you purchase it, there is a alcohol and a non-alcohol package.
Yeah, so you don't have to get the one with alcohol, or you can. Or when you get there, you can just buy as you go.
So if you do get the non-alcohol package and you want alcohol, you can
just
just
buy it.
buy alcohol as you go.
Which is also really cool. The seagulls are having a time.
Yep. All right. We'll see where we go next. Quick video of the map.
Welcome to Alesund. Here, we're here. There's a shopping center, it looks like.
I think our boat's over here.
Our boat's right here.
Never mind. I think our boat's right here.
But kind of cool. You got the church, the museum, an art center, another museum, a city center. You got that little thing you go up and walk up. It's kind of neat. So,
That's cool. So we stopped here at Raccoon's. We actually passed this on our little food tour, and that's a beautiful little bakery. And we're gonna try I think a croissant. You gonna get a croissant, you think?
I think so. I'm gonna make sure they warm them though.
Oh yeah, let's see if they warm them. They look beautiful. Oh my God, look at that thing. Oh my God, my dad's gonna be so jealous.
Look how cute. They heat it up in a little panini presser. Alright, we'll see how it is. Alright, we've had a lot of ham and cheese sandwiches this trip for whatever weird reason.
Yeah.
So let's see what this looks like. I don't know if it looks all that fantastic. I mean, it looks flaky.
Ham and cheesy.
Try it.
Try mine.
Soft.
It's good. It could use that pesto sauce.
That's what I figured. It's probably just dry.
A little dry.
All right, there you go.
That was the bakery. Look how pretty those are. All right, we gotta head back to the ship now. We have got coming up to you the Hibachi restaurant, actually. So that's coming up.
Magic.
And then maybe a magic show. Is that what we've got? Is that what that is?
I think so.
Okay.
Honestly, we hope the weather is as good for you as it is for us. We are so lucky so far with the rain. We've been hit a little bit, but I thought we were gonna be rained on every day. I don't even need a jacket. It's sunny. We've gotten godly lucky with it. Overall though, today was great. Go do that food tour, is awesome. If you don't do it, just go walk around. It's clean, it's pretty,
it's welcoming.
Quiet, it's very welcoming. It's not hustle and bustle. Beautiful. Now, there can be up to 4 ships in port and we are the only one, so that could be different if you are coming with other ships.
True.
But absolute great day. It might be my favorite port yet.
There you go. There's the ship. Heading back on. We'll see you at Hibachi. Alrighty, here we go. Hasuki, our second specialty dining night. Here we go. Alrighty, here's the Hasuki experience. This is covered in our dining package. And they get 1 entree, I'm guessing. You can get some combos, desserts, soup, salads. So we'll see how it goes. It is very loud here in this restaurant, but first course is the miso soup. Looks beautiful.
I like the cabbage. That's a good one. I usually don't like it, but that's very good.
Nice.
Here's the salad, but he's starting, so
I this by
we'll
watching
find out his
YouTube last
afterwards.
night. Big wheel keep on turning, proud Mary skip on burning, rolling, yeah, rolling on my griller. Okay, rolling on my griller. All right, 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. I forgot the lyrics of that song. Oh, 1 egg overboard and scrambled egg inside my hat. Buddy, you're a boy, make a big noise playing on the street. Gonna be a big man someday. Ana the anaconda. Drink it. I believe I can touch. I believe I can touch the rice.
I have fun here. It is fun to watch. Oh, he's gonna go be on hard. Or you are.
You feel my heart beating.
Oh yeah.
Careful.
Try first?
They don't have a white sauce. They have a ginger sauce
garlic
and a mustard sauce.
No, garlic sauce and a ginger sauce.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
So we mix them.
The orange one's a little better.
So hold on, look. That's what one looks like, and that's what the other looks like.
You know, Kobe's rice, very good.
There you go. That was the little vegetables you get. Look at this shrimp. It's freaking massive. Oh my god, the shrimps look amazing. I'm gonna try one. That's a 10. Wow.
They're huge, you guys. Don't think you realize. Like, look at my hands. They're massive.
That's the chicken. The shrimp was amazing. Wow, that's a beautiful amount of steak right there. Oh, wow. Thank you, sir. All right, so me and Sammy discussed.
So, experience, super fun. Veggies, super good. Rice, very good. Not like the best rice ever, but very good for
Hold on, shrimp, really good.
Apparently the shrimp was very good. The chicken, I think, was very dry.
I thought it was overdone too.
They got their steak rare. We got our steak medium rare. And it's the chewiest. Look, it's cooked correctly.
It's cooked amazing, but very chewy.
It's not, but the cut they use has got to be so cheap. They smother it in butter. If you go back to our channel, we love Sandals Hibachi, Virgin's Hibachi,
It's kind of hard to mess
Royal's
it up.
Hibachi, MSC's Hibachi, other Norwegians Hibachi. You can't mess it up. It is so tough. The meat is just a pass. So get the shrimp. They're doing a cheap cut of meat. It's very tough, very tough. Everything else was great, but for hibachi, I would say it's the worst hibachi I've ever had on a cruise ship, and I've probably had, what, 10 times?
Yep, I would agree.
10 times? It's just the meat was just bad.
There you go. So,
it's fun.
yeah, it was a
It's
blast.
different.
Cody loves steak. He spit it out, actually. Oh my god.
I chewed it for 5 minutes.
He actually chewed it for 5 minutes and spit it out. He didn't want to show you guys. All right, so I got a green tea cake. Is that vanilla ice cream?
I have some type of ice cream.
This is the fruit sashimi platter, it was called.
Guys, kiwi, apple,
Lychee.
pineapple, cantaloupe, watermelon.
I would bet almost $800 I'm not gonna like this. I guess someone made a pound cake and put no sugar in it. It's kind of just like kind of gross.
You see you guys outside?
Alrighty, and just a heads up, we are definitely in the North Sea. It is pretty okay. Maybe a little windier than I thought. Oh my god! Oh wow. It doesn't look as bad as it actually is, guys. It is windier than you could imagine. This is giving North Sea vibes. North Sea vibes. It's pretty rough. I mean, everything's kind of clinking, clanking. Everybody's kind of going side to side. So just know it does get rough, just like Alaska. So anyhow, we will see you guys at the magic show.
54. If you had 34 and 12, 3 and 5 is 54. If you had 11 and 34, 5 and 4 is 54. 33 and 3, 12 and 6, 54. Every single combination. Actually, there's more, but I'm stopping there. How about that? Wow.
Alrighty, so I ended up leaving the camera in the room on accident, but we just finished watching The Magician, and now we've got a dance party we're going to head to here in a minute. But I just want to let you guys know, the magician that we have seen on this boat is by far the best magician I've ever seen on a cruise ship. He might rival some of the magicians I've seen in Vegas, and I've seen probably 6 or 7 magicians in Vegas. Guy was a 10. He's been in Vegas at MGM over 10,000 shows. He said he's been on over 700 cruise ships, and I'm going to believe him because he was fantastic. One of the best magicians I've ever seen. We are now heading down. We're going to go to the dance party. Going to hide some ducks, so you'll see that. And see you guys here in a bit.
Alright guys, we're in for the party again tonight. It is almost 11. This one is pretty lit, guys. It is the night before a sea day, so a lot of people get pretty riled. Everybody just have a good time.
To water elements. Hey.
There you go, it's the water elements party. I got it.
Alright, we are heading out of the dance party here in a second. Sammy is going to place a duck. It's a good spot.
Some drunk person's gonna.
Oh yeah, where do you want to put it, up top?
Yeah, it's gotta be a little further out.
Oh my god, that's so perfect. That may never be found.
No, it makes sense.
Should you put 2 on this wall?
Should I?
Yeah, I kind of like it. Yeah, I love it. I love it.
Sierra Ducks, come get them.
There you go.
Dance parties, super fun. We might as well do an outro. Great dance party, one of the better ones. It kind of reminds me of the 70s party, just like a lot going on. So if you see the ocean party, I guess they called it, the ocean party.
It is a white party, we didn't know.
Yeah, but it was
It's a whiteout party.
Whiteout party. I don't know. I'm
Yeah.
not quite sure. But it was really fun, really cute. Dinner was average for Hibachi, to be honest. Anyway, like, subscribe. We're gonna go to the casino and to bed, and tomorrow is a sea day, so stay tuned for what we do at a sea day.
There you go.